overheating. I'll be back, guys. Park in St. Louis, Missouri, or Sullivan, Missouri. Praises now. It sounds like we have another wheel problem, but we're here. We made it. We'll figure it out before we leave. So what we're gonna do is turn on some tunes. It is 9:30 at night. We're gonna turn on some tunes and we're gonna get this baby back to styling and profiling because all her stuff failed. Let's go. Happy Sukkot 2020. Down walking to the campground where all of our mishpakai is.
Stop. Say stop. No, not stop. Oh. See the drum? Hi, tell it hi. He ain't feeling it today. Noah said, I ain't with it today. Noah, you been coming out here every year. You like it? You having a good time?
You have fun? Shalom, guys. It is Sunday, and even though we are parked over here where all the RVs are, we make sure we always go down to where everybody has their tent set, because that's why we're here for Sukkot. Say shalom. Good morning, Xavier.
Oh, good morning. Shalom.
So we're headed down to help with breakfast. It's probably already done, honestly. The children are having a good time riding on the back of the truck, and we're just waiting on this RV to park, so we're just sitting. But so far so good. There's no service here, but I'll upload once we get out of Merrimack State Park. Until then, I'll keep on vlogging. Have a good one. Shalom, guys. We had a fantastic Sukkot. Even though Sukkot is not technically over, we are heading out for Merrimack Park. So it is about 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So I'm going to stay up and try to get this mess in some kind of order. We're going to hit the laundromat in the morning, bring the RV in, and head on back to Illinois to spend some time with our family. So continue to stay along, and thank you again for watching our videos. So we are overheating. I'll be back, guys. The fan went out that keeps it cool. So all praise that we with mom and dad and that we're traveling together. Because we can now just get into their RV and go get the part and then come back. We have finally made it back to the RV. And the adventurous part was remembering where exactly did we leave the RV? What exit was it? But hey, we found it. So now he's going to work on the truck. It needed a fan. The fan broke, which is what keeps the transmission, motor, engine, I guess, all that cool. So we got a new fan. Hundreds of dollars later. I gotta fix it. And hopefully we can move on. But we're gonna stay in this state tonight. Okay, so the new fan is going in.
Right.
That's the old fan there. Hello guys, we have finally checked into a hotel. Sometimes it is great just to take this hotel break into a brick and mortar. It's kind of nice, but we decided not to drive at night, so we pulled over. The RV's outside in the back of the parking lot, all locked up, and we're just gonna get some pizza. I got a little wine, hubby got a little beer, and we're gonna relax. And we're gonna hit it again in the morning. Hope to see family tomorrow. All right, guys, we are in. We are tucked in. We're gonna relax. Time for some pizza and some wine, and we will see you guys in the morning. You ready for? It's not a picture, mama. You ready, want you? You ready for not more adventure? I'm gonna stop saying that. You ready for the day?
Yes.
Hey, chew the
He got his saddles on with this whole jockey suit get up here. Right.
Drinking it?
Yeah, they nasty
like
stuff.
milk.
Yeah, they like real milk. So nasty. They don't drink it, so when they see it, they go to act like they ain't never seen it before.
them too. He pushed them all the way up there. Now they run it back.
They went in and got them a milk.
Now they waited to the silver thing back. They already had a milk. Come on, Noah.
Should have got them all a bag because they had muffins in them.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Watch, which is one of our favorite places. Getting us some breakfast so we can get back on the road. Right, Noah?
What?
Peyton, is it good?
You, sit up.
I'm not
Step back.
potatoes.
Sit up.
Jeremiah's struggling to eat. Everybody that knows Jeremiah knows he doesn't like eat anything. So we're making him eat these potatoes. And look at his face. Jeremiah, smile. That's so fake. Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Potatoes.
You want potatoes too? Okay.
Focus on your pancakes first, okay?
And then I get some potatoes. Yeah, like he over there dying. Because he got to eat real food.